Our skills are based on experience, knowledge, and training. Through permanent personal development, we empower our team and increase their competence. As we develop relationships based on competence and trust, we continue to grow in size and fields of activity. With our solid foundation in business domain and software development, we have confidence in our future. We are promoting active learning through flexible scholarship with continual mentoring. Our scholars work on their own projects, and 90% of them stay in the company after their studies. We appreciate and value our team by actively supporting activities like team building, traveling, regular social and business events. We foster satisfaction and motivation. We care for our team by providing free private health insurance and fitness center memberships. Exercising benefits your life and boosts your energy. Together, Naovis and Primafin, we contribute successfully to develop a long-term strategy of integrated and evolving solutions. Our solutions reach across borders. Thinking outside of the box keeps us innovative, our work interesting, and gives us new development perspectives.